DGC 3 of Event 103, swimming in lane 1, Rivera Nicola of Alliance Partners Swimming Club. Lane 2, Trader Fan of Quezon City Christian Swimming Club. Lane 3, Maglanganan Iya of Southeast River Swimming Club. Lane 4, Katipunan Christian at Goma River Swimming Club. Lane 5, Gatdula March Release of Quezon City Recreation Swimming Club. Lane 7, Puerto Edward of Texas London Swimming Team. Lane 8, Ascania Ryan of Fighting Crackers.